help cure one of the most deadly cancers. As News 18's Micah Upshaw reports, this could be next-generation treatment. Micah?
Purdue researchers are working on what could be known as the next medical breakthrough. Right now, cancer is the second leading cause of death, but who knows if that'll be true in a few years from now.
Here is a PCR instrument that we use to amplify some of the genes.
Professor Herman Simpton with Purdue's Department of Chemistry is working to reduce the deaths caused by acute myeloid leukemia.
I am interested in acute myeloid leukemia because it has one of the worst prognosis.
To put it in perspective, if 100 people were diagnosed with AML right now, only 30 of them would still be alive in 5 years, and that number drops to 10 if you're over the age of 60.
Clearly, there is a need to come up with new drugs or new therapeutic modalities that improve the survival of acute myeloid leukemia.
AML is an aggressive cancer that attacks blood cells. Blood cells fight infections and diseases in our body. With AML, an infection as common as the flu could be deadly.
We, as molecular scientists, develop chemicals that bind to this protein that drives the cancer to shut the protein down.
By shutting down the protein, the new drug is essentially slowing down the growth of cancer. This gives the blood cells a chance to gain strength and fight off the infection in the body. 2
years ago, we realized that a few of our compounds were actually very good at killing these cancer cells in the test tube, and so that is when we transitioned to test the compounds in an animal model, which is mice.
The compound cleared the cancer from the mice.
So that was when we knew that perhaps we had developed something that not only works in a test tube, but also works in an animal.
The next step is clinical trial. Simpton believes this drug has potential to save many lives.
If we can extend, life by few months, few years, or even few decades, it would have far-reaching implications.
The results of the study were published in the eBiomedicine journal Friday. The website is globally recognized as a prestigious journal for up-and-coming drugs and technology. Micah Upshaw, News 18.
Well, thank you, Micah. You can read more about this new drug on our website at WLFI.com.
And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather where you live.
Well, it was